music and binaural beats. The meditations in this program have been designed for the ultimate relaxation. For this purpose, the background music has been designed to help with this and contains binaural beats to assist in taking you to that deep meditative trance. Binaural beats are a way of changing brainwaves through sound. The way they work is simple and yet really odd at the same time. They are the auditory equivalent of an optical illusion. You take two pure tones at slightly different frequencies and play one in each ear, and the brain creates a pulsing rhythm or beat. The beat doesn't actually exist in reality. It is just the way your brain interprets the contrasting tones. Because the beat is created within your own mind, your brainwave frequency tends to move towards that of the imagined beat. For instance, playing a tone at 300 Hz in your left ear and one of 308 Hz in your right ear will create a binaural beat of 8 Hz, meaning 8 cycles per second. If you listen to the section on brainwaves, you'll know that this will create an alpha brainwave frequency that will help with relaxation. There is a lot of information about binaural beats on the internet if you're interested. Many people create pure binaural beats for specific therapeutic and entertainment purposes. If this is an area you'd like to look into more, be warned that some of the more extreme binaural beats can have some wild effects on your nervous system. The binaural beats in these meditations are very low and unobtrusive and should only have positive effects on people. If you do feel that they are affecting you negatively for any reason, please stop the meditation and use a version of the meditations without the binaural beats.